With its shining skyscrapers jutting out of the desert, Dubai has become a symbol of excess in the Middle East. When it comes to money, people have it here, and they like to show it. And if you're a police officer looking after a city fixated on wealth and image, you're going to have to do it in style.
Do you feel like a rock star when you're driving around?
No, I don't. You are like doing your job in another way, different way.
Call it whatever you call it, okay? They are supercars, they are super fleet, they are luxury cars. Everybody calls them a name. So, this is the world's fastest police car, and this car is capable of doing 267 miles per hour, and we can say from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. We have the Mercedes, it is with 700 horsepower. After that, we got the McLaren, a stable car. It is an 8-cylinder car with 650 horsepower. The fleet which we have, they're worth around $6.5 million maybe. We have the Aston Martin 177, the Lamborghini, the Audi R8, the Ferrari FF, the Mercedes SLS, the Bentley, Ford Mustang, and the Nissan GTR.
The Dubai police force have been called the most progressive unit in any Arab country. All the officers earn law degrees while being trained. Women first joined in 1960 and now make up over half the force. And while these cars look like they're made to chase down any criminal, they're used for an entirely different purpose.
We use them as one of the tools to market Dubai police services, to remove the barrier between us or as a police and the community.
The police parade their super fleet through the most luxurious parts of Dubai. Shopping malls, upscale hotels, the beach, and the PR is certainly working.
As you see, when we stopped in this many places, the residents, they are so happy about Dubai police having this good fleet.
In fact, simply driving through the street sets off a firestorm of social media activity. Here, we are able to analyze the fleet's progress through the city simply by watching new uploads on Instagram and Twitter.
Usually, people, when they see a policeman, they feel like scared. But in this car, you feel different. You feel like they are more smiley, more friendly, more they want to talk to you.
In the first 3 months, we have in the internet more than 1,200,000,000 viewers.
Great to see it in real life though. I've seen it on social network like Facebook, Twitter, all that, but to see it in real is great.
I love this. It's just super. I really like this. And always wherever I see, I'm always making the picture.
I don't know, it's like maybe it's good for image really of country.
The police are happy for people to come and have a look and get close. It allows for it to be a bit more tangible rather than just seen as a threat. You know, it shows that the police are on side, if anything, I think.